I have this tire inflator. I'm using it for my car, and this is not working at presently, not generating pressure. So I will open it and will try to repair it and find out the reason why it is not working. This is the power cord. This is the cover. First I will have to open, and this is the tube which is used to fix with tire to fill air, and this is the cover. I will use screwdriver to open this cover. It is opened now, and the whole machinery is here. Different parts are there. This is compressor, this connecting rod, this is gear wheel, bevel gear wheel, this is motor, and at the end a fan is there. The problem I'm seeing in this is this bevel gear wheel is not connected with motor pinion, means the gear is not meshing, teeth are not meshing, so motor is not being able to transmit the power to the compressor. The fan is also lying loose here. Shaft is not being able to rotate this fan due to looseness. Take out the cable cord, power cord, and now I have to open and take out the whole assembly out from the box. So removing screws, 4 screws are there which are holding the assembly in the box. I will open all the screws one by one. Second one, the third one, these are Phillips type of screws. Always use correct screwdriver, else screw may destroy, head may destroy. And the last one is this screw. Then I will take out the assembly, whole assembly with motor, compressor, gear set, etc. Now removing assembly in this way. The damaged fan is here. Now the circuit plate is to be removed. 5 screws are there. Open all the screws. These are of small size screws. Keep safe all the screws so that assembly can be done properly, as the parts may remain loose. If single screw will lose. Open all the screws. One more screw at center is there. Now take out circuit plate out of the box. All the parts have been taken out. No other part seems to be damaged. All are okay. Now I have to remove this sensor. This is holded with 2 screws. Open these 2 screws, take out this clamp out and remove this sensor. Remove this sensor. This sensor transfers the signal to the display and shows tire pressure reading. Now the final repairing process. I have to push down this bevel gear plate to match the pinion. I have to use hammer and a punch. Push gently. This will allow to match the gear teeth. Gear pinion have matched properly. Now it is time to assemble the machine. So first the circuit board is to be fixed at its place, and the sensors to be fixed as we opened. Wrong. First this ring is to be fixed. Yeah, this blue ring, then sensor, and then clamp, and the screws. Another screw. Now insert this LED into its hole and fix circuit board to its place properly. Proper fixing is must. Take care of proper fixing. Screw it up. First center screw, then all the 4 corners screws to be tightened. Circuit plate has been fixed properly. Now the motor compressor assembly is required to be fixed. Put it in its place properly on its seat. Proper fixing is important. Take care that any wire is not pressing, and then tighten the screws, long screws. All the 4 screws are required to be tightened properly. Second one. Third and fourth, all the screws have been tightened. Don't tighten it too much. This can damage threads. It is almost ready. Now it is time to check the system whether this is generating pressure or not, air pressure. So I am in the car and going to connect this machine with this car 12 volt point, and it is connected. This is the wire coming from the point and going to this machine, to this compressor. Now I will start the engine. This is start button, and the car is started, you can see. And now you can see the display. This is on off switch, and I'm going to it is working well. It is working well. My labor is successful. You can also do it with your non-working air compressor, portable air compressor. Thank you for watching my video.